So once the software is installed on the phone, you need to alter some of the battery settings to ensure that the phone doesn't stop the device from running. So first thing to do, go into the main settings of the phone, so cog in the top right corner rather. Go to apps, and then you need to find the app you just installed, which is com.android.sec.dev.updates. If you click on there, and then the first thing you need to do is go to mobile data and make sure both these bottom two are switched on. Like that. They might be on already, they may not, just make sure they are both switched on. Go back and then go into the one that says battery just underneath. Okay, ensure that the allow background activity is switched on. And also underneath where it says optimizing battery, it actually needs to say not optimized. You can see at the moment it's saying optimizing battery, it needs to say not optimized. So we need to change this. So click on optimizing battery usage. That drop down arrow at the top here where it says apps not optimized, if you click on that, change it to all apps. And now we need to scroll through and find our app. And there's quite a lot in this list, it's literally everything running on the phone. But again, we're looking for com.android.sec.dev.update. So it's just that one in the middle there. Now to switch that off, and then press back and go back to the previous screen, you should now see it says the app is not optimized. Okay, so press the home screen, come out of that, go back into settings again, and this time we're going to device maintenance. Now on Samsung phones you'll have this option, on other phones it might just say battery. Some of the options you may not have if you're not running a Samsung phone. Just try and find everything that you do have to copy it. So first of all, go to device maintenance, and then batteries in the bottom left hand corner there. You see at the moment we've got, it says save power underneath, our app is in the middle there. So we need to get rid of this. So what it means is that if we're in power saving mode, this app will be shut down basically. So if we go to unmonitored apps, right at the bottom there, just above always sleeping apps, click on unmonitored apps. Add an app at the bottom. Click on our one, press done, press back, and you'll now see it's been removed from that list. The last thing we need to do is change the battery mode. So we've got power saving mode off, mid or max. We're currently on off at the moment. What we need to do is change the settings for mid and max. So if you click on mid, all you need to do is where it says background network usage, so it allows apps running in the background to use Wi-Fi and mobile data, make sure that's on, and then you'll have to press apply. Now it will change into that mode, and then we need to do the same with max. Same thing, background network usage, press apply. It now put into maximum power saving mode, we put into dark mode, and it will cut a few things off. Now the app does run much better when it's the power saving mode is off. The reason we're doing this, so placing the battery into maximum power savings also cut the video off as well. What I was trying to say is the reason we're doing this is even though the phone does actually run better in with the battery savings off. So if we go to device maintenance, battery, it's always best to turn it back off again. But the reason we're doing it is so that if the phone is placed in the mid or max mode, the background network usage will be allowed, so the app will continue to run. If we didn't do that, as soon as the phone was placed in another mode, it would cut it off. But like I say, it is best to go back in, turn the power saving mode off altogether, and then that's done. So the battery settings are now complete. There is one more step to do, but we'll cover that in the next video.